Ever wondered why some older men effortlessly command respect and admiration from women while others, despite good intentions, just give off the wrong vibe? It's a delicate subject, but one crucial for any man who values self improvement and genuine connection. Today, we're diving deep using the ancient wisdom of Stoicism to uncover the three common pitfalls that can make an older man seem creepy to women, and more importantly, how to avoid them entirely and cultivate a presence that is both powerful and attractive. Stay with me because what you learn today could fundamentally shift your interactions. The first major pitfall is what I call the illusion of control and outcome dependence. This is when an older man consciously or unconsciously attempts to control the interaction, the woman's reactions, or even her feelings. He might overcompliment, overpursue, or become visibly disappointed if things don't go his way. From a Stoic perspective, this is a grave error. The Stoics teach us about the dichotomy of control. We control our own thoughts, actions, and reactions, but we do not control external events or other people's responses. When you tie your self-worth or happiness to a specific outcome, like a woman's approval or affection, you hand over your inner peace to external forces. This desperation, this neediness is palpable. It signals a lack of inner stability and self-sufficiency that a truly confident man, a stoic man, understands that he offers his best self, acts with virtue, and then lets go of the outcome. He is indifferent to external approval, not because he doesn't value connection, but because his inner well-being isn't contingent upon it. This very indifference, this calm self-possession, is paradoxically incredibly attractive. The second trap is the echo chamber of past glory and entitlement. This manifests as constantly talking about past achievements, name dropping, or subtly suggesting that due to his age or experience, he is owed attention or respect. He might dismiss younger perspectives or treat conversations as a stage for his own monologue. Again, Stoicism cuts through this ego-driven behavior. The Stoics remind us that true value comes from present virtue, from how we act now. Past glories are just that, past. They do not automatically qualify us for present admiration and entitlement. It's the antithesis of Stoic humility and acceptance. Expecting things to be handed to you or believing you're inherently superior closes you off from learning, from empathy, and ultimately from genuine connection. A Stoic man operates from a place of quiet confidence, not boastfulness. He understands that true respect is earned through his character and his actions in the present moment, not by reliving past triumphs or demanding difference. He is present, a good listener, and engages with genuine curiosity, knowing that everyone, regardless of age, has something valuable to offer. This humility and presence create a space of safety and respect which is profoundly appealing. Our third and perhaps most insidious pitfall is emotional reactivity and a lack of self-regulation. This is when an older man allows his emotions, be it frustration, anger, insecurity, or excessive neediness, to dictate his behavior in social interactions. He might lash out, become overly sensitive, or display an alarming lack of composure. Stoicism, above all, is a philosophy of self-mastery. Seneca, Marcus Aurelius, Epictetus, they all stress the importance of controlling our internal world, particularly our passions and impulses. An older man who still lacks this emotional regulation often comes across as unstable, unpredictable, and frankly, unsafe. It's a sign of immaturity regardless of his chronological age. The Stoic sage aims for apatheia, not apathy in the modern sense, but freedom from destructive passions, a state of inner tranquility. This doesn't mean being emotionless, but rather skillfully managing emotions. A man who can maintain his composure under pressure, who responds thoughtfully rather than reacts impulsively, who understands that his peace is his own responsibility. That is a man who inspires trust and respect. If this resonated with you, hit that like button, subscribe for more Stoic wisdom, and share your thoughts in the comments below. What other behaviors have you observed, and what Stoic principles help you navigate social dynamics? I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, stay virtuous, stay wise.